How to fix Google Drive video is still processing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive video is still processing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here just type here drive and now click storage and then clear cache, and now click force stop, and then just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just click here data usage and allow here mobile data. Maybe you'll find it like that and allow it, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and see you in the next video.